Hey everyone, I hope that you're staying safe on your remote learning day. I was just going to go over the worksheet that I gave out to you yesterday. If you don't have it, there's a PDF copy online that you can print out, or you can write these charts out on paper and bring them on Wednesday. Just want to make sure first that you watch the video that's in Canvas. Mr. Felix jumping out from space, it's pretty cool, but watch that first so you get a little bit better understanding about the layers, and then you can do number 4 on here. Make sure you read the top part first. It says the atmosphere is a relatively thin envelope of gas that surrounds the Earth. It is held to the Earth by gravity and moves with the Earth as it rotates. The atmosphere has different characteristics at different altitudes. It varies in temperature, pressure, and water vapor. So the first thing you're going to do is to plot the data on the chart below. So we're going to use our graph up here in the top and plot it on this chart on the bottom. First thing we need to go over is which one is altitude and which one is temperature. So altitude up here at the top in miles on the chart is on this side. And temperature, it's up here in Celsius, is down here on the bottom. Now this chart is a little screwy. As you can see, we've got 0 here and 20 here. So how do you get from 20 to 0 if you've got something like 15 or something in the middle? So this chart goes up by 4. So each little tick mark is like worth 4. So 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, and then your other big marker at 20. So count each of those by 4. So I'm going to plot a couple of the plots with you. I suggest you do it in pencil so you can go back and see it. I'm going to do it in pen just so you can see better on the screen. So our first one, the miles is 0, so we're right here in the middle. And our temperature is 15. Since this little tick mark is 16, that means my first point is going to go really close to that because it's just 1 away. Next, we have 3 miles. We know that this is 4, so 3 is going to be right underneath that. And then our temperature is going to be 15. Oh, I'm sorry, it's negative 25, so we're going this way. So there's 20, and we know that one's like 24, so it's going to be right around there. 6 for our miles, so we know that's 4, and that's 8, so 6 is kind of in between. And then we're going to go all the way over to negative 50. So that'll be somewhere around here-ish. I said, just do your best to get it. So 7, just kind of almost the same as 6 on our chart. Negative 55, so that's really close together. 15, and that's right under 16 up here, and going all the way over to negative 50. 24, we know 20 and 4, and negative 25. So there's 20 and 4, so just a little bit more than 4. Next, we've got 31. So let's see, 24, 28, so somewhere kind of in between here, and 0. So we don't have to go anywhere. Then we've got 37. So right up here above 36. And it is going to negative 25. So back this direction. So as you see here, you've got some lines going on. So we're going to jump ahead, go ahead and finish plotting the rest of these points here. It says connect the points. Got to do that too. So do your best to have it be a smooth line. Okay, so now draw horizontal, that means across, lines when the temperature changes trend. So here's a change right here. So I got my ruler or something else that's flat, and I'm going to draw a line across it. And here's another change. I'm gonna draw a line right there. So now you're gonna shade and label these temperature zones, that troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere that we've been doing. When I say shade, I mean with color. So put it on here, and that would be troposphere. And last, on this page, you're gonna draw Mr. Felix jumping from space. Now on here, we're measuring in miles, and on the article it showed it, or the video it showed it in feet. So there's your conversion from feet to miles. So you're gonna draw a picture of him jumping out around 24.26 miles up on this sheet. The back, or activity 2, is basically the same. You're gonna plot those same points about air pressure this time. You're gonna connect the dots. Now for this one, you can see it's 0 and then 200. So each of those goes up by 40. So keep that in mind as you're plotting your points. 0, 40, 80, 120, 160, 200. So use that to know where the little marks are supposed to be on each one for your air pressure. If you have any other questions, you can email me through the day, and I can try to help you through it. But make sure you try it on your own and watch this video first. I will be checking activity 1 and 2 tomorrow when we get to class. The conclusion on the back, we're gonna do this together for our warm-up on Wednesday. So don't worry about this page, but do the grabs, activity 1 and 2. Hope you all have a great day.